Yeah, so basically we're on good right now. Then yeah, I went to daily time frame at first. Well, because on the monthly time frame, I'm not seeing anything at the moment. Basically, even on the weekly, yeah, it's not really too clear though. But when I went to the daily, I don't know, but I use CRT now to like for my buyers, my directional buyers, basically stuff like that. So on good daily time frame, I have this CRT here. So um yeah, I have this CRT here basically. So from the 1 hour time frame, we'll go back to like, because I feel like most of you basically don't know how to like, how will I put it? Most of you don't know how to like go back down from your higher time frame to like lower time frame. It doesn't matter if you're using 1 hour. Like there's always a time frame you go, like there's a time frame for you to check your, well, let's say directional bias or like overall bias. Then there's a time frame to execute. You understand? Excuse me. So basically, most of you don't even know how to like arrange that stuff. You understand? So for example, if you're on monthly time frame, for example now, like you check your bias on the monthly time frame, you have to go down to the daily time frame. You understand? You need to go down to the daily time frame to execute. It's not like you find your entry, or like you see your directional bias on monthly time frame. You now go to like 30 minutes, you can execute. You go to daily time frame to execute. You understand? So if you check your overall bias on the weekly time frame, for example, you need to go down to the 4 hours time frame. You understand? So from the weekly, you need to go down to the 4 hours time frame to execute. You understand? Then me, like now I'm on the daily time frame. You understand? So as I'm on daily time frame like that, I need to go to the 1 hour time frame to execute. Hope that is clear. Like so, from the daily time frame, you go to the 1 hour time frame to look for your entry. So now we're on the daily time frame right now. Like it's daily time frame, and this is my direction for the daily time frame. This is my overall stuff for the daily time frame. Because basically, market is closing in between. Like my market is closing. I don't know if you guys like study CRT a little bit, but after the second candle is closed, like if the second candle, is not like, if second candle has no close, I don't trade. I wait for the third candle. So basically, I expect the third candle to break through here, to break through this level. So yeah, so I'll go back to the 1 hour time frame basically. So now if you go to the 1 hour time frame, I've seen my entries for the 1 hour time frame, but we all use different entries. So now there are like different entries I'm seeing here basically. I don't know how you guys trade, but I can use here basically this point here as my entry. Then I'm going to short, like then put my SL above this here. Then I'm targeting this level here. Yeah. Sorry. So like my entry will be here like this. Then I'll target the CRTH low. You understand? This will be my entry. You understand? Or I can just use this here. I don't know what you guys call it, but you can just use this zone here, which is almost in the same place. This zone here, just to get a more precise entry. You understand? I just use this zone here. Then you execute from there. Execute from here. Then your SL will be wider. Then to be wider. Then execute from there basically. Okay. So, but I don't do this, but just for more confirmation, you can go down to the 30 minutes time frame just to confirm your entry. I don't do this basically because so if you go to the 30 minutes time frame, you see that this is also IFVGA. It's an IFVGA. Understand? So it just give me like more confirmation for the entry, because basically my entry is still around those places. You understand? So like this will be your entry. This is when you'll be your entry. Then you just like basically just short it. I'm going to post the like after the trade, either it's SL or TP. So like these are what I'm risking, like 4:7 basically. What I'll be risking on the trade basically. I'm using 0.1 or 0.05 depending on how market open, but market can basically open downward or from the entry or from this side. So basically I know market open from, I will execute from there. Yeah, that's how we target in this place. So this place always look like a liquidity sweep kind of, bro. This place look more enticing, to be honest. It look more enticing though, but let's see how it goes. So I'll update you guys. Basically I'll update you guys on, but this is my entry basically for gold. Yeah, if I have other entry or if I have another pair system, I'll drop it, but for now, yeah, this is my entry on gold. So I'll post how the trade played out basically on Monday or Tuesday, because this trade might swing. Basically, it might swing depending on how volatile the market is this week or next week. So yeah, that's all. You can follow my YouTube. The link is in my bio. I'll post on my YouTube also. So like, let's grow the YouTube also basically. So yeah, that's all.